Welcome back, welcome back. Today we've got a release day break of 25-26 MVP hockey. Looks like a pretty nice set. I don't really open a lot of MVP. It is on the more entry level side, which is great for some of the teenagers or younger kids that want to rip a full hobby box. So without further ado, let's get into this thing. Let's see if the hockey gods are on our side today. Love a good release day break. So hopefully we have some luck. I am just going to set those there. We'll start on the bottom right. So we've got 8 cards per pack, 20 packs per box here. See if we can't pull a redemption. Not bad looking base. Looks like the players are kind of 3D on the card. We got something shiny here already. Like Quinn Hughes is a checklist actually. Got a hello, my name is Dominic Shine, MVP. Throw that there. Not a bad little start. Lots of packs to get through here. Try and make this quick. I have a ton of cards I need to sleeve up here tonight after I shoot this, so I'm gonna be busy. Check out that eBay store. I've got a mascot battles. That's pretty sweet. Got Thunderbug and Stanley Sea Panther. Not bad. Cool little insert. I know the kids for sure will love those. I do like a lot of these cards on even the base or the silver scripts that you get in here are nice too, even though they're not real autos. Base here, basically 1 insert per pack, and another mascot sticker from the Blue Jackets. We got Stinger. Not bad. I hate when these corners don't quite rip the way you want. Don't want to damage anything. Lots of foil in these packs. Another mascot sticker. Okay. That's Stormy from the Hurricanes. Pack number 5. Devin Taves on the back there. No silver scripts yet. Austin Matthews. Oh, I think I might have spoke too soon. We got Malkin there on the silver scripts. Not bad. Definitely not quite the same quality as the $150 hobby boxes. I think these were 89 Canadian. Skinner there, Nolan Allen, Caulfield. Oh, and these two are kind of stuck together. Another mascot sticker. Okay. I don't know how many of these you're supposed to get in each box for the mascots. I'm not huge on reading the odds. I mean, I feel like the odds are not really accurate anyways. So many people get doubles of stuff in boxes or cases, and some people get nothing. So not sure if I'm a huge believer in the printed odds that they give us. Rising to the occasion. Got Miko. Still in a Dallas uniform. Mr. Travels around a lot in a short period of time. Barkov on the back. Zegras and Net Presence, Mark Scheifele. Kind of a cool foil when you flash it in the light. Oh, we got a rookie, Gabe Perrault, however you say that properly. If you haven't figured out by now, I'm not the greatest with pronouncing last names. Logan Cooley, Matt Coronado, Marchenko, and another rising to the occasion of McDavid. Sweet. I'll take that. Straight to the PC, even though it's a lower end insert. Try and keep almost every single McDavid insert that I've got, unless I have doubles. Obviously, they're on the eBay store, or I give them to friends if they're interested. But I do try and keep every McDavid card that I get. Yanni Nyman on Rising to the Occasion. Looks good with the jersey there and the blue. Got Oliver Rodrigue on the rookies. Clayton Keller, okay. So far, nothing too exciting, which is kind of to be expected. Malkin, Hedman, Tippett, and then the Hedman again on the silver scripts. Trying to flash slide in the late there. Paterka, McKinnon, Montembeault, and Verhaeghe. I think we got 8 packs after this, I believe. Holloway, Miller, Stone, and Coming to Your Rink. That's pretty sweet. Caulfield and Hudson. That foil looks really nice with those jerseys as well. So that's kind of a nice card there. Bedard on the base. What am I gonna do with all of these base cards? Got a MVP rookie silver script. Dalibor Dvorsky. Yeah, I think I said it right. Dvorsky. Okay. Not bad. Maybe this last half of the box here is going to be much better than the first half. Bobrovsky, Horvat, Robert Thomas, silver scripts there. Just more base. Kadri on the back. Michkov on the base. That's kind of neat. I'll throw him to the side. Why not? I'm sure people will be looking to add him to some other stuff just for fun, even though it's not a rookie card technically. Marner still in his Leafs uniform. We've got a die cut here. A gold die cut of... Oh, not great, but... Parker Ford, 136 out of 250 from the Jets. That is a Colors and Contours Gold. Okay. Not a bad looking card. Almost looks like a little trophy. Throw him up there for now. And 5 more packs. I totally just realized I bumped the camera here. Draisaitl, Hayton Eichel, and Kachuk there. Sorry, I thought that was the insert. Anton Lundell, silver scripts. Konechny, Askarov. How wicked would it be to pull a redemption on release day? Seen it happen already. Could happen twice. Lightning does strike twice in the same place. Coming to your rink, Anze Kopitar and Kempe from the Kings. Jack Finley, rookie. And a McDavid base. Oh, wrong pile. Let's go there. All right, 3 more packs. So far, it's kind of been what I've expected, but you never know until the last pack is open. Rising to the occasion of Jordan Kyrou. Oh, I thought that might be a parallel. Looks gold in the background there, but Owen Sillinger, DeBrincat. All right, the second last pack here. Wish me luck. Knock on wood. Sean Monahan, Darcy Kemper, Bennington, and another mascot battle of Yoop and Blades. Okay. Let's see. Let's rub it. Last pack magic. Let's see if the hockey gods are with us. Please give us something cool. Don't have high hopes. See a shiny corner of Kaprizov and Matt Boldy coming to your rink. Okay. Well, oh, we got a rookie there. Weisblatt. There it is, guys. Oh, and Wallman in his Oilers uniform. There it is, a full hobby box here of 25-26 MVP for you. Comment down below. Let me know if you've opened a box yet, if you've hit any sweet cards. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can keep doing these videos and grow the channel. I really appreciate it. And I'll catch you on the next one.